Welcome to Modern Farm. Have you ever wondered how fresh pork is transformed into flavorful delicacies like salami and sausages? These are not just foods, but the result of a centuries-old art of meat processing. From large-scale pig farms with advanced technology to the stages of meat grinding, seasoning, fermentation, curing, smoking, or boiling, each step plays a crucial role in creating the unique flavors of each product. Salami boasts a firm texture and rich flavor due to the fermentation and drying process, while sausages are characterized by their smooth, chewy texture thanks to modern processing techniques. Join us as we explore the journey of meat from pig farms to production lines before reaching consumers worldwide. Modern pig farming focuses not only on productivity, but also on food safety, nutrition, and animal welfare. Globally, the pig farming industry is thriving, producing over 100 million tons of pork annually, with China, the USA, the EU, and Brazil leading the market. The United States is one of the largest producers, raising over 70 million pigs per year, primarily in Iowa, North Carolina, and Minnesota. Today's pig farms use industrial farming models with automated systems that control temperature, humidity, and lighting to ensure optimal living conditions. Pig nutrition is carefully designed for each growth stage. From birth, piglets nurse for about 21 to 28 days before transitioning to specialized feed. The diet for market pigs includes corn, soybeans, minerals, and vitamins, optimizing their growth rate, which averages 0.7 units per day. Their health is monitored regularly with vaccinations to prevent diseases, ensuring the highest quality meat. Once pigs reach the standard weight of 120 kilos, they are sent for slaughter and processing. In modern factories, this process takes place at a high capacity, handling thousands of pigs daily with automated robotic systems and AI-powered quality checks to maximize speed and accuracy. After slaughter, the meat is classified and chilled at 4 degrees to maintain freshness before being processed into salami and sausages. Salami is a time-honored cured meat product created through meticulous fermentation and drying. The process begins with carefully selected pork, ensuring the perfect balance of lean meat and fat for the ideal texture. The meat is chilled to maintain freshness, then ground and mixed with sea salt, black pepper, garlic, paprika, and white wine. A key step in this process is adding beneficial bacteria to aid fermentation, producing lactic acid that lowers pH, protects the product from harmful bacteria, and develops its distinctive flavor. The meat mixture is then stuffed into natural or synthetic casings, ensuring a tight fit to maintain its shape. Next, salami undergoes fermentation for 3 to 6 days in a controlled temperature and humidity environment. During this time, beneficial bacteria break down sugars in the meat, creating compounds that enhance the product's complex flavor. After fermentation, salami is dry-aged for 21 to 70 days with carefully regulated temperature and humidity levels to gradually dehydrate the meat while fostering the growth of Penicillium nalgiovense mold. This white mold not only protects the salami from unwanted bacteria, but also contributes to its signature taste. Once fully cured, the salami is cleaned of excess mold and undergoes strict quality control before packaging. The finished product may be sold whole or sliced and vacuum sealed to preserve its flavor. This production process combines traditional techniques with modern technology, creating a delicious and long-lasting delicacy. Global salami production exceeds 2.3 million tons annually, with Europe leading the market, particularly Italy, Germany, and Spain. Unlike salami, sausages are produced using a more modern process. The production begins with selecting high-quality pork, sometimes blended with beef or poultry, depending on the type of sausage. The meat is chilled for freshness, then ground to the desired texture. During mixing, it is combined with salt, spices like pepper, garlic, and paprika, along with binding agents such as starch, milk protein, or phosphates to enhance texture and elasticity. Crushed ice or ice flakes are often added to keep the mixture cold, preserving quality and controlling emulsification. Once the ideal consistency is achieved, the meat mixture is stuffed into casings made of natural intestines or synthetic collagen using high-capacity stuffing machines. Next comes shaping and heat processing, depending on the type of sausage. Fresh sausages can be packaged immediately after stuffing and stored chilled. For cooked varieties like Frankfurt sausages or smoked ones like kielbasa, they undergo steaming or smoking in thermal chambers at 75 to 85 degrees to fully cook and develop an appealing color. Some sausages like pepperoni or chorizo are fermented similarly to salami, allowing them to develop a distinct taste. After cooking or fermenting, sausages are quickly cooled using water sprays or cold air to maintain elasticity and prevent bacterial growth. The final products are then quality checked, peeled if necessary, and packaged either whole or sliced. Preservation methods such as vacuum sealing or modified atmosphere packaging extend shelf life while maintaining freshness. Thanks to advanced production techniques, sausages today meet high food safety standards and can be mass-produced to satisfy global demand. Global sausage production exceeds 20 million tons annually, with major markets including the USA, Germany, China, and Russia. In the US alone, over 9 billion sausages are consumed yearly, roughly 70 sausages per second. Whether for a quick breakfast or a backyard BBQ, sausages are an essential part of global cuisine. From modern pig farms to high-tech processing plants, salami and sausages are not just foods but the perfect blend of science and the art of meat preservation. The combination of traditional fermentation and cutting-edge technology has resulted in flavorful, long-lasting products that cater to global consumers. Do you prefer salami or sausages? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Modern Farm channel to continue exploring the fascinating world of agriculture. See you in the next video.